In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to a Wix website. We'll go through the process from creating a dedicated page to adding your policy text, and then linking it in your site footer so visitors can access it easily. This is an important part of building a professional website, because a privacy policy helps explain how your site handles visitor information and can support trust and compliance. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once you are in the editor, look to the left-hand side and click the Pages and Menu icon. This opens the panel where you can manage the pages on your website at the bottom of that panel. Click Add Page, then choose Blank Page. This gives you a clean page to work with, which is ideal for a legal page like a privacy policy. When prompted, name the page Privacy Policy. Then click Done. After the page is created, find the three-dot menu next to the new Privacy Policy page and open More Actions. From there, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Page Info tab and turn on the option to hide the page from the menu. This keeps the page available on your site without displaying it in your main navigation, which is a common setup for policy pages. Next, make sure you are actively editing the Privacy Policy page you just created. Then click the Add icon on the left side of the editor. Choose Text and select a paragraph element. Drag and drop that paragraph onto the page. Once it's in place, paste in your privacy policy text after that. Take a moment to adjust the formatting so it's easy to read. Clear spacing, readable font size, and clean alignment all help make the page more user-friendly. When you are done, click Save. Now that the page content is in place, the next step is to make it easy for visitors to find. Scroll down to the footer section of your website in the editor. Click Add. Then Text, and type Privacy Policy. Highlight that text and click the link icon, which looks like a chain link. In the link settings, choose Page from the sidebar, select your privacy policy page and make sure it opens in the current window. That way, users stay on your site and are taken directly to the page. Finally, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. That's it. Thanks for watching.